I'm Joe Potente with this afternoon's Kenosha News Minute, sponsored by Festival Foods. A jury trial is set to begin Monday for Chester Mass, a Kenosha man accused of fatally shooting his girlfriend in December 2013, then refusing to come out of his house. A man in jail on charges that he robbed banks confessed to 3 other incidents, leading to new charges for him and his girlfriend. Timothy LeBuff is now charged with 4 bank robberies and 1 attempted bank robbery in Kenosha and Pleasant Prairie. His girlfriend, Jessica Cortez, is charged with 3 bank robberies and 1 attempted bank robbery. Jill Bean of Norridge, Illinois, was given a Sheriff's Award today for her efforts in stopping a charter bus when the driver became incapacitated in January. 11 of the 34 passengers were treated for minor injuries after the crash on Interstate 94. And runner Dominic Ruffalo has had a strenuous week. The 64-year-old Kenosha man competed in 3 marathons in 3 days, just 4 months after he underwent back surgery. For more, check KenoshaNews.com and pick up Saturday's Kenosha News.